Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, strawberry milk. It is really easy and very good at the same time. What you need: strawberries, honey, and milk. You will also need a whisk, a bowl, and a cup. After washing the strawberries, start by cutting off the leaves. Start mashing with a whisk. Stop when it's jam-like with little bits of strawberries left. Add honey. Usually I go for 2 or 3 spoonfuls per cup, depending on the quantity I'm making, but you can adjust it to your liking. Give it a taste. Start by adding the strawberry puree to the cup. Usually I like to go around the sides with the puree, just so it looks better. Add milk. And that's it. It is very simple and easy. Enjoy! If you like our video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe to our new channel. See you in the next one. Bye!